butt real tight at the boat on both sides. To the side. On the deck in front of you, pump them out. Get that booty one. There's no creepy eye contact. Are you sick of your pancake butt? Is your booty sagging? Is your peach too soft? Welcome to Hard Charger Training Center, my award-winning gym in Thousand Oaks. I'm Miguel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you my top 6 butt building floor exercises. Now, if you really want to build that booty, I recommend you add any or all of these exercises to your next workout. And if you want to know exactly how I would have you put them together in a workout, stick around to the end. I'll include a workout card. The first exercise is kickbacks. You want to come down onto your hands and knees, shoulders stacked over your elbows, stacked over your wrists, hips stacked over your knees, and both your hands and knees are about hips width apart. From there, you're going to drive your left knee in towards your chest and extend it straight back. Point the toe behind you, squeeze your butt real tight at the top, keep your toe pointed, and keep your arms locked out. So you're really isolating your butt. In other words, don't start to do this. Isolate the butt, keep your core nice and tight, exhale at the top. This is the second exercise, stiff leg crossovers. You want to come down onto your forearms. Again, your elbows and your knees are about hips width apart. For this exercise, you want to extend your left leg straight out. I like to flex the toe because it helps me keep this leg stiff or locked out. So I'm really isolating my butt. From there, you're going to lift it straight up and over. Touch down with your toe on both sides. You want to come up as high as you can without bending the knee. Keep it locked out so you really isolate your hips and butt. The third exercise is fire hydrants. You're back up onto your hands and knees, or on all fours, like a dog at a fire hydrant. Pretty self-explanatory. You're gonna feel it in your butt and your side butt, all right? From there, you're just gonna lift your legs straight up to the side. Avoid bending this elbow, so you really isolate your butt, and avoid bringing this leg too far back or forward. Straight out as high as you can. Quick tip on the kickbacks and the fire hydrants that we just did when we're on our hands and knees. Make sure you hold yourself up nice and strong so you're not slouching, and keep your core. The fourth exercise is Jane Fondas. Throw back. So you're gonna lay on your side. The bottom knee is bent, and you're straight over to your side. That's first tip right there. So don't lay back. Don't lean forward too much. Straight over to your side. The working leg, the top leg, keep it completely locked out. Keep the toe flexed, and I like to turn it down a little bit so I really feel it in my butt, and I don't start using my hip flexors and my quads too much. From there, keep your head down. You can keep your hand on your hips or down on the deck in front of you. As high as you can without bending the knee. The fifth exercise is inner thigh pumps. By now, your butt should really be fired up. All right, so you're gonna lay on your side. For this one, the bottom leg is the working leg. So the top leg, you wanna cross it over, hold it up this way. I like to hold myself up on my forearm for this one. but don't slouch, okay? Hold yourself up, keep the right hand down on the deck. The bottom leg, the working leg, keep it again completely locked out, and raise that heel up as high as you can without bending the knee. Exhale with every rep, pump them out. Get that booty working. The sixth and final exercise is bridge up downs. We saved the best for last. So you're gonna come down onto your back. For this one, you want your heels to be about shoulder width apart. Toes slightly pointed out is fine. Very important, keep your knees in line with your toes, so don't let them buckle in. Don't bring them out too wide either. Hands down to your sides. Shoulders down, so in other words, don't shrug your shoulders. From there, you're gonna raise your hips and butt up as high as you can, squeezing your booty real tight. It's the last exercise. Really let the tempo of your breathing control the tempo of your movement, getting a big squeeze at the top of the movement. And one mistake to avoid with this exercise is no creepy eye contact. Keep your head down. Squeeze real tight at the top. When you bring your hips down, make sure your lower back is flat on the deck too. Right? Core nice and tight. So that was it, my top 6 butt building floor exercises. In just a couple seconds, a workout card will pop up on the screen. Until then, don't forget to flex your subscribe muscle. I put a new video out every Friday. I'm Marine Miguel, Semper Fi.